Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Chime Invest, full guide step by step clearly. To install Chime Invest, begin by ensuring you have a compatible smartphone. Visit the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. In the search bar, type Chime and hit enter. Find the official Chime app in the search results and tap on it. Once on the app page, click the Install or Get button to download the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Chime app on your home screen. Tap on the Chime app icon to open it. If you already have a Chime account, enter your login credentials. If you are new to Chime, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal information. You will need to provide your email address, phone number, and other required details. After entering your information, create a secure password for your account. Review and accept the terms and conditions provided by Chime. Next, verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Chime app after confirming your email. If prompted, set up two-factor authentication for added security. You may need to add your bank account to enable investing features. Follow the prompts to link your bank account securely. Once your account is linked, navigate to the Invest section of the app. Review the investment options available to you through Chime. Select the investment plan that best suits your financial goals. Complete any necessary setups as guided by the app. Finally, confirm your investments and monitor your progress through the app dashboard. Congratulations, you're now ready to start investing with Chime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.